Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The Jamaica Track and Field Coaches Association is proposing modifications to the 2021 staging of the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. The 2020 event, which had been scheduled for March, was cancelled after the country recorded its first case of COVID-19. The proposals were released on Thursday morning following consultations with track and field coaches through meetings held on September 26 and 29. Renata Brown has the details.
Under the heading Format, Modification and Options is a proposal to maintain 5 days of competition with the implementation of already accepted best practices used in competitions held during the pandemic, which would include sanitizing starting blocks, baton, landing pits, and all officials wearing masks. This will also see the meet moving to the third week of April, from the 19th to the 24th, with regional championships scheduled for the end of March into the first week of April, with the finals spread across all days. And in an effort to ensure reduced numbers inside the 35,000-seat National Stadium, the coaches are proposing a reduction in ticket sales and placing greater emphasis on spectators enjoying from home. Option 2 involves having a combined boys and girls champs over 6 days, with separated days for preliminaries, with boys and girls events held on alternate days. The third option is to separate the championships and hosting them over 4 days each on different weekends. But how will athletes qualify? Among those proposals are changes to the qualification system, which will see a predetermined number of qualifying automatically for each event from each regional meet. Secondly, there is a proposal to increase the qualifying standards for all events and abolishing the B standard. Another option is to have a national performance ranking system for 2021, which will be updated weekly. The top 32 ranked athletes will qualify for track events, with each school declaring their top 2 plus 1 reserve athlete. It would be a similar approach for field events, but only the top 24 would qualify. In modifying the competition itself, JATAFCA has also proposed less emphasis on Champs Saturday, but spreading the finals across 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, with preliminaries running from Monday to Wednesday, with a fewer number of rounds. Proposals to reducing close contact includes each school creating a bubble, establish points of entry and exit, and athletes leaving the facility once their participation has ended. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.